This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We're out in Woodbridge, Virginia, and we just put in a driveway, a walkway, a stoop, a patio, and a rear walkway and step system. Now, when I came out to meet with this client, they actually called me for just the driveway and the walkway, but I explained to them how with concrete, we have a major economy of scale pricing difference to where sometimes, just a driveway and a walkway like this, which quite frankly for us is a smaller job, your price per foot is a lot higher. So I said, hey, while I'm here, they said they had a phase 2 project of doing a patio and a walkway, and believe it or not, they thought the price was going to be a lot higher than it was, and when I gave them that combined price of the whole thing, they decided to jump on it all. So let's take a look around. Just keep that in mind. If you're calling us for a small project, price per foot's going to be higher. We're going to have minimums, but if you can maybe get a neighbor to jump on with you or throw in a patio or some other work, that is going to make the job more cost effective for you. Let's walk around this project and see what we did. Now, this was just freshly poured, so I want you guys to see these little details. You're sometimes going to get these little crumbs that fall off the boards and leaves and stuff like that, and we can't wipe that off right now because that would mess up the broom finish. So we do tell our clients afterwards, tomorrow once this gets hard, come out here and blow all this stuff off. This is the expectation of what you're going to see on the edge of the driveway. I want people to see my contracts. I don't do final grading and sod or any of that stuff. That's on you guys or your landscapers. I can price that in, but usually it's better to do it yourself. And this is about how it looks when we're done. Let's get a little closer to the front here. Got this beautiful walkway. Before it was just a square little path. Widened it up a little bit, put some nice flares. Came up here to the stoop. This actually, the homeowner did this temporary shoring on this, but we actually put in pier footings here for the proper support for the porch. And you can see everything looks really nice. Let's take a walk around back. So as I said up front, the client just on initial impression thought that it was going to be too much money to do both these projects, so they were going to break it out, but they were pleasantly surprised that once we bundled this together, we were able to get the cost down to where they could do it all in one shot. So it worked out for us, worked out for them. Got this nice stair system going back to that gazebo. That's their favorite place to hang out. Before, they were walking through the mud here. They got some big dogs that tear up the yard. Now they got a beautiful path to walk down. Got a nice little seating area. They're going to put a table and a grill over here. Pathway coming down. We did the nice little platform steps. You can see proper control joints and everything put in the stair system. These do have many footers that go down, many turn downs, as well as rebar and wire all throughout. Really nice design coming down to this gazebo. We replaced PT board that was underneath there, put expansion joint, put a plastic membrane to protect the wood, and they got a nice little entry now into their favorite hangout spot here in the backyard. And here's one final parting shot. So please give us a call for any of your concrete or stone needs. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.